Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate audiobook subscription service step by step clearly. Visit the official website of your chosen audiobook subscription service. Look for the sign up or start free trial button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the service's requirements. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy provided. Check the box to agree to the terms, if prompted. Proceed to the payment section if this is a paid service. Enter your payment information, including credit card details. Double-check that all the entered information is correct. Look for any promotional codes or discounts that may apply. Submit your information to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation link from the service. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Return to the subscription service's website and log in with your credentials. Explore the available audiobooks and browse through different categories. Select your first audiobook and click on the download or listen button. Enjoy your audiobook experience and make the most of your subscription service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.